بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے.
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق.
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا.
خلق الانسان من علق.
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی.
اقرأ وربک الاکرم.
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے.
الذی علم بالقلم.
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا.
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم.
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا.
Assalamu alaikum. We started class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful. This is class 3 and the period is English language text. This is your 4th video and week number 5. As I have started unit number 15, the Olympics game, in a previous video, or the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games is most important athletic competition in the world. Many athletes come to take part from all over the world. I have told you before there are multiple games and everybody can take part in Olympic Games. We have completed a comprehension number 1 and 2 in our previous video. Today I will start from the vocabulary. What we have to do in vocabulary 1, there are some sports, there are some words. Sports, you have to order them. You have to put them in alphabetical order. Now come to words of board. How will you do this? How will you do? There are some sports. I am writing here. You have to order them. Use the first letter of each sport. You will use first letter. You have to focus the first letter of the alphabets. Put them in alphabetical order. So how will you do? You will start from the, you know very well how to order them. किस तरीके से order करते हैं आपको पता है अच्छी तरीके से. We have to focus the A to Z. The alphabets, all alphabets, we have to focus the all alphabets. Which comes before? सबसे पहले कौन सा होता है? A. You know very well there is no word which is start from the A. B. There is, yes, A. We have A. You will write here. Athletic start from the A, so you will write here. Which that one word will start from the A. Athletics. Number 2. B. There is no word which start from the B. And also there is no word which is starts from the C. Now you will go ahead. C, D, E, R, G. We have a word which starts from the G, so we will write here. Gymnastic. Then go ahead. G, H, I, J. There is a word which starts from the J, so you write here. Judo. After that, we have a last word, rowing. You have to focus the first word. First word को आपने focus करना है. Then you will order them, okay? Now come towards the vocabulary number 2. What are they saying? Use the second alphabet. You have to use second alphabet. In these sports, there are also, they have given sports to you. You have to order them. You will focus the second letter. In vocabulary 1, we focused first alphabet. In vocabulary 2, you will focus on second alphabet. Now, start from the A, but I want to tell you that you have to focus second letter. You have to focus second letter. किसको focus करना है आपने? You have to focus second letter. In the vocabulary 1, you focused on first letter, and in vocabulary 2, you will focus on second letter. Then you will start from the A. There is no word which start from the A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H. We have a words which start from the H. It is the first word. So I will write here shooting. I hope you are getting. After H, now start to read I, J, K. So I will write here skating. After the K, L, M, N, snooker. We have a words which have a star, which have a second word of N. So I will write here snooker. Okay, now in the last, you know very well that which is remaining you will write here. जो भी बचा हुआ है वो आप यहाँ लिख देंगे. Okay? Now come to words of vocabulary 1. What are they saying in vocabulary 1? Use the third letter of each country. Now you have to use the third letter. आपको third letter use करना है and put them in alphabetical order. और उसके बाद उसे alphabetical order करना है. Okay? There are some countries name. It is fallen. Fall. गिर गया. ओके वी हैव टू फोकस थर्ड लेटर. किसको फोकस करना है? हमें थर्ड लेटर को फोकस करना है. ऑल वर्ड्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पी. सारे वर्ड्स जो है पी से स्टार्ट करना है. एंड आल्सो देयर इज ए आफ्टर द पी. सो यू विल फोकस द थर्ड लेटर. नाउ स्टार्ट रीड विद मी. ए. देयर इज नो वर्ड विच स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द ए. Keep read with me. Keep reading with me. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. We have a word which start from the, which is a have a third word. Third letter is K. So we will write here Pakistan here. Now come towards of third, second one. K. After the K, L M N. We will write here Panama. After that you have understood that which one letter will come. Maldives. Okay. I hope you have got what you have to do. You have to do in the vocabulary 1, 2, 3 alphabet, the letters in alphabetical order. Now come towards our next topic, spelling. Spelling. What you have to do? They are saying some words there is a O inside them. कुछ words के अंदर O होता है, but it gives the sound of U. But ये sound किसकी देते हैं? U की देते हैं. Read the words, underline the O that sound like U in each word. You have to read the words, and after that you have to underline them which have a O inside them. जिनके बीच में O है. Like I am giving you example here. Wonderful, wonderful. We have a O inside the word. हमारे पास O है word के अंदर, but it is giving the sound of U. किसकी sound दे रहा है ये? U की sound दे रहा है. It's not a wonderful, it's wonderful. So we have a lot of these kind of words. I am writing on the board. Yes, nothing. There is O inside the word, inside the nothing, but it is giving the sound of U. So we will underline O. Meaning it is also giving the sound of U. U की sound there, we will underline this one, that this one O. After that month, it's also giving the sound of U. Wonderful. It is giving the sound of U. Sun. It is also giving the sound of U. Love. It's also giving the sound of U. Chand, color, there are two of front, above. They all are giving the sound of U. You will underline them like this. Now come towards of number 2, write the words in alphabetical order. Now you will, in spelling 2, you will put them in alphabetical order. किस तरीके से अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर करेंगे आप? How will you order them? Start from the A. Which one word we will write here? Start reading with me. A. We have a word which is start from the A, above. After that B. There isn't any word which is start from the B. So we will go ahead. C. We have a color C, which is start from the C. After that C. D. Is there any word which starts from the D? No. There is no word which starts from the D. So after that we will focus the E. Is there any word which starts from the E? No. There is no word which starts from E. So we will focus the F. Yes, there is a word which starts from the F. Front. After that F. After the F. G. H. Is there any word which starts from the H? No. I. J. K. L. Yes. We have a word which starts from the L. M. We have a two words which start from the M. So that time what will we do? क्या करेंगे हम इस time? We have a two words. We will focus the second letter. ये क्या? These are also same. ये दोनों same है. After that we will focus the third one. Three of them also same. So that time we will focus the fourth letter. किसको focus करेंगे हम? M. We have a same M O N. So we will focus the fourth one letter. E. T. Which letter become first? कौन सा letter first पहले आता है? E और T? E. So we will write here money. After that we will write here month. Okay. M. Now let's go N. Is there any word which start from the N? O. O. P. No, there is no word which start from the P. Next. After the N, we have a word. And nothing. N. O, P, Q. R, S. We have a word start from the S. Sun. T. We have a word also. We have a word which start from the T. And U. Is there any word which start from the U? No. V. W. Where is wonderful? Wonderful. We have a word which start from the W. Yes. Now come towards the spelling tree. Write the words that means the same. You have to write the meaning which have same meaning. Spelling tree. Yes. Opposite of back. What is the opposite of back? You know very well. Front. You have to write here same meanings. You will write here same meanings. The same meaning of opposite of back is front. The opposite of something The opposite of something is nothing. The opposite of hate. The opposite of hate is love. We are using same words here. In which you have spelling one. We are using same words here. The opposite of below. What is the opposite of below? Above. Yes. The opposite of horrible. What is the opposite of horrible? Wonderful. The male child of parents, you know very well, son. The name of the thing that help you taste, tongue. Red is the name of one color. January is the name of one month. Something you spend, money. I hope you have got. Now come towards of class setting. There are some information about swimmers. Swimmers के बारे में कुछ information है. You have to make the chart. आपको chart बनाना है in your copy. You will make complete chart, and after that you will put the information about all swimmers, which has given to you in your class setting. I am reading information about Mark. Mark comes from the USA. He from USA, so you will take the USA for. I am writing here. We are doing right now class writing. Page number 132. Okay. Write your name. Who are we talking about? We are talking about Mark. And where is from? He from USA. So you will take in USA. After that, he entered the 100-meter breast stroke. किस में एंट्री करी है मैंने? 100 मीटर ब्रेस्ट स्ट्रोक में. So you will take in. I'm writing here the names. Yes, he entered the 100-meter breaststroke. So you will take in the breaststroke and the 100-meter crawl. You will also take in crawl because he participated in both of them. He won a silver medal. What did he won? Which one medal did he win? Silver. So you will take in the silver. Now come towards of second one, call. Call is a Canadian. Call जो तो Canadian है. So you will take. First of all, you will write the name here. Call is a Canadian. So you will take in the Canadian. He won a gold medal. Gold medal जीता था उन्होंने. So you will take in the column of gold. For the 100 backstroke. 100 backstroke में उन्होंने participate किया था. You will take the column of backstroke. After that, he was in the 100 breaststroke, but he did not win anything in the race. He also participated in breaststroke. ब्रीस्ट्रोक में भी उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, बट ही डिड नथिंग, विन नथिंग, कुछ भी नहीं जीता था उन्होंने. Jane entered all the races. Now I am talking about Jane. Entered all the races. सारी रेसेस में एंट्री की थी उन्होंने. He won a gold medal in the 100-meter crawl. रेन जो थे उन्होंने सब में पार्टिसिपेट किया था. ठीक है. बट ही वॉन गोल्ड मेडल इन द 100-meter क्रॉल. गोल्ड मेडल जीता था उन्होंने 100-meter क्रॉल में. देन ही फ्रॉम मेलबर्न इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ऑस्ट्रेलिया से इनका from he from Australia, so you will take the in the column of Australia. Like this you will do your all exercise. You will do. You have to make the chart like this, and you will put the information of all other participants. Okay. Now I am giving you home task. What will you do? You have to make a flag, Olympic flag, in on your title page. I hope you have got everything. If you had any problem, so you will watch video again and again. You will make your title page according to your work and maintain your index according to your work. Okay? Now time is over. Say with me, if God's willing, we will meet again. Have a nice day. See you at next video. Allah Hafiz.